Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. Today I will tell you about scholarship in Romania. And the capital of Romania is Bucharest. So let's have a look on here. The application are open to apply for the government of Romania Scholarship 2022. The scholarship is funded by the Ministry of Foreign Affairs Romania. The Romanian government scholarship is a fully funded scholarship to study bachelor, master or a PhD degree program in Romanian university. All the expenses will be fully covered by the Ministry of Foreign Affairs Romania. All participants from any nationality can apply. A total number of 85 scholarships from each country will be provided for undergraduate, master and doctorate program. There is no application fee charged by the Romanian government scholarship. The Romanian scholarship program is offered by the Romanian state for all countries that are not a part of European Union. If you are not belonging from any European country, so you can apply for this scholarship program. The Romanian scholarship is one of the top scholarship programs. The duration of the undergraduate scholarship will be from 3 to 6 years, whereas for master program from 1.5 to 2 years, and for doctorate degree program 3 to 4 years. A wide range of academic fields is available in Romanian universities. So let's have a look on some details about government of Romania scholarship. The country is Romania and the capital is Bucharest. The number of scholarship is 85 per country. So every country have 85 scholarship seats except union states. Degree level is undergraduate, master and doctorate. Financial coverage is fully funded. The deadline is 15 March 2022, so you must have to set a reminder on your mobile phone to apply for this scholarship program. The 15 March 2022 is the last day to apply for this scholarship program. Available academic fields are architecture, visual arts, Romanian culture and civilization, journalism, political and administrative sciences, engineering, education sciences, social and human sciences, technical studies, oil and gas, agriculture sciences, veterinary medicine. Scholarships are not awarded in the fields of medicine, dental medicine, and pharmacy. So it is clear mentioned that if you are applying for medicine, dental, and pharmacy, you can't apply for this scholarship program. Duration of the Romanian scholarship: the undergraduates will enjoy from 3 to 6 years, and master program from 1.5 to 2 years, and the doctorate from 3 to 4 years. Financial benefits and coverage: the scholarship is funded by the Romanian Ministry of Education and Ministry of Foreign Affairs. Therefore, this is a fully funded scholarship in Romania for all international students. Free of charge tuition fee, free of charge accommodation, a monthly stipend €65 per month for undergraduate students first cycle, and €75 per month for master studies second cycle, and €85 per month for postgraduate students doctorate degree third cycle. The scholarship do not cover your international transport expense. The required documents are official letter issued by the diplomatic mission of the country of origin accredited to Bucharest, or the diplomatic mission of Romania in the country of origin or residence. The MFA application form for a scholarship in Romania filled is correctly. The MER application form for the issue of the letter of acceptance to study in Romania. So you must have an letter of acceptance from Romanian universities. Legalized copies of the obtained study diploma and the legalized translation into one of the foreign language, either in English, French or Romania. Legalized copy of matriculation sheets, diploma, supplements related to graduate studies, and the legalized translation if applicable. Legalized copy of the birth certificate and certified translation is one of the foreign language, either in English, French or Romania. Copy of the first 3 pages of your passport, the medical certificate attesting to the fact that the person enrolling in the study does not have contagious disease or other condition incompatible with the required studies. Curriculum vitae of your application, the recent photo 2 pieces passport format. The application file will also contain the following documents only for candidates falling within the specific category mentioned for each document. Proof of name change: if you change your name, then you have to provide the documents. The certificate attesting the passing of the European bachelor, master, doctorate exam. Certificate of graduation of the Romania preparatory year or language proficiency certificate. Declaration on parental consent in case of juvenile candidate. So the eligibility criteria: foreign citizens coming from all states of the world except European member states should not hold Romanian citizenship, not more than 35 years of age for the bachelor and master studies, and 45 years respectively for doctoral study or for postgraduate study. The deadline is 15 March 2022. The selection result will be announced on 15 July 2022. How to apply? Visit the official website of Romanian government scholarship. apply for MFA scholarship, so you can directly apply through this link. Click on here. So apply now. First of all, you have to create your account. As I already created my account yesterday, so you have to create your account. First of all, create your account. You have to write your first name here, your last name, your email address, your password and verify password. After that, you can simply create your account from here. So after creating your account, they will send you an email. You have to simply active your account, and then you can log in the account. Now I am logging my account. Yes, this is my account. As yesterday I started my application, so simply now I'm going to review my application. Yes, I understand. So you have to simply put all these information, your personal information. Thank you so much guys watching my video. Please share and like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.